Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Have you all completed your homework of all subjects? I hope you all are doing your homework properly. But some students did not collect their notebooks from school. Please collect your notebooks and do your homework properly. Now we are learning Lesson 6, Introduction to Microsoft Excel 2010. Almost we are going to complete this lesson. In last class we have discussed about Introduction to Microsoft Excel and working with worksheets. Come on, let's see a small recap of previous classes. First, what is Microsoft Excel? It is a spreadsheet software. It is one of the components of MS Office. It is used to store, organize and manipulate data in rows and columns. By using Excel, we can perform simple to complex mathematical calculations using formulas. We can also represent data in the form of charts. To start Microsoft Excel 2010, we need to click on Start button, then click on the All Programs. After that, we need to select Microsoft Office folder. In this folder, all the components of Microsoft Office will be displayed. You need to click on the Microsoft Excel 2010. The Microsoft Excel window will appear. Parts of Microsoft Excel window. There are various parts. They are Quick Access Toolbar, Title Bar, Workbook, Worksheet, Ribbon, Row, Column, Cell, Cell Address, Name Box, Formula Bar, Cell Pointer, Range of cells, worksheet tabs, scroll bar, status bar, view options and zoom slider. What type of data we can enter in Excel? We can enter three types of data. They are numbers, text and formulas. Numbers consist of numerals and characters. It can be used in calculations. By default, numbers are right aligned in a cell. Text consists of letters, numbers and special characters. It is not used in calculations. By default, text data is left aligned in a cell. Formula is a mathematical equation that used for performing calculations on worksheet. All the formulas begin with an equals to sign. Next, entering data in a worksheet. To enter data in a worksheet, we need to click on the cell and then type the data. After that, we need to click on the enter button on the formula bar or press the enter key on the keyboard. After that, to accept the entry, we need to click on the enter button on the formula bar or press the enter key on the keyboard. To reject the entry, we need to click on the cancel button on the formula bar or press the escape key on the keyboard. Next, moving around in a worksheet. There are many shortcut keys to move around the worksheet. First one, left or right arrow key, that is used to move one cell to the left or right. Next, up or down arrow keys. They are used to move one cell up or down. Next, enter key, it is used to move one cell down. Tab key is used to move one cell to the right. Shift plus tab key is used to move one cell to the left. Page up and page down keys are used to move one screen up or move one screen down. End plus arrow key is used to move in the direction of the arrow key to the next cell that containing data or move to the last empty cell in the current row or column. For example, end plus right arrow key, it is used to move to the next cell that containing data towards right or move to the last empty cell in current row. Next, home key. Home key is used to move to the first column in the current row, that is column A. Next, control plus home, it is used to move to the firstmost cell, that is A1. And control plus end key is used to move to the last cell in the worksheet. Control plus page up or page down is used to move between worksheets from left to right or right to left. And finally, Alt plus page down or page up keys used to move one screen left or one screen right. These are the shortcut keys to move around in a worksheet. Next, creating and saving a workbook. To create a workbook, we need to click on the File tab and then select New option. It will show some templates. We need to choose the blank workbook option under Available Templates section. After that, we need to click on the Create button. A new workbook will be created. The shortcut key to create a new workbook is Ctrl plus N. To save a workbook, we need to click on the File tab and then select Save As option. It will open Save As dialog box. We need to type a name for the file and then click on the Save button. The shortcut key to save a file is Ctrl plus S. If we want to save our file with an existing name, we just click on the File tab and then select Save option. It will be saved in the existing name. We can also choose the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar to save a workbook. Next, renaming a worksheet. To rename a worksheet, we need to double click on the name of the worksheet and then type a new name and press the Enter key. We can do this same action by right clicking. Right click on the worksheet name, select Rename option, type a new name and press the Enter key. Next, adding a new worksheet. To add a new worksheet, we need to click on the Insert Worksheet button at the end of the Worksheet tab. Or else we can use the Insert option in the Cells group on the Home tab. For that, we need to click on the arrow next to the Insert option and we need to select Insert Sheet option. By pressing Shift plus F11 keys also we can insert a new worksheet before the selected worksheet. We can also do this action by right clicking on the worksheet name. We need to right click on the worksheet name and then select Insert option. It will show Insert dialog box. We need to select worksheet and then click on Insert button. Next, removing a worksheet. If we don't want any worksheet, we can remove it by clicking on the arrow next to the Delete option in the Cells group on the Home tab. After that, we need to select Delete Sheet option. We can do this by right clicking on the worksheet name and select Delete option. Next, switching between worksheet. To move from one worksheet to another worksheet, we can just click on the name of the worksheet. These are the topics we have discussed in previous classes. Shall we move on to the next class? Nice. Come on. Imagine that if you want to create a series of numbers from 1 to 1000, how do you create it? Come on, let's see it in today's class. Today our aim is learn how to create a series in Excel. So today's topic is autofill feature in Excel. Come on, let's learn the meaning of some keywords that we are going to use in today's topic. First, series. It means many same things that happen one after another. Next, predefined. It means already decided. For example, days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these all are already decided. This can be called as predefined. Next, user defined. It means any things that will be decided by the user. These are the meaning of these keywords. Come on, let's move on to the topic, autofill. Autofill option is used to quickly create a series of numbers, dates and many more items in a sequence. In Excel, we can create a series by using two ways. They are using fill handle and using fill option. First, we are going to discuss about autofill using the fill handle. First, what is fill handle? It is a small black square at the lower right corner of the current cell. That means in the cell pointer at the lower right corner, there is a small black square. It is fill handle. When you move the cursor to that black square, it will change into plus sign. We can create predefined series and user-defined series by using fill handle. Come on, let's see how to use fill handle to create a series. Listen, this is fill handle. there is a small square and the cell pointer. This is fill handle. When you move the pointer there, it will change into a small black plus sign. Come on, let's see how to create a series. First, I am going to enter an initial value, that is 1. Now I am going to drag the fill handle until 10. It fills the same number in the selected cells. Now I am going to click on this icon. It will show some options: copy cells, fill series, fill formatting only, fill without formatting, flash fill. We need to create a series. So I am going to select fill series. Now it is filled with 1 to 10 numbers. This is predefined series. Similarly, we can do it with the days of a week. I am going to enter Monday and then drag the fill handle until 7. It filled the series Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Similarly, you can do it with months. Totally there are 12 months, right? If you fill more than 12, it will start from January again. Like this. These are predefined series. Next, user-defined series. For example, if you want to create a series of even numbers, you need to enter first 2 initial values. Like that, and then select the both cells. After that, drag the fill handle how many cells you want, like that. Now it filled all the even numbers until the selected cells. Similarly, you can give odd numbers by selecting first 2 cells and dragging it like this. Not only odd and even numbers, you can make your own pattern. Now I am going to create a series. First 1, after that 5. In between 4 numbers are there, right? So now I am going to select first 2 cells and drag it. Now see what happened. It added 4 numbers to the next number, like 1, 5, 9, 13. You can make your own series like this. Okay, now I am going to enter here 10 and drag the fill handle up. I am going to select fill series. What happened now? It decreasing the numbers. So when you drag the fill handle downward, it increase the numbers or series. When you drag the fill handle in upward, it decrease the series. Similarly, left and right. You can do series of left and right. Like this, you need to, if you drag it right and select fill series, it increase the series. If I enter here 5 and drag it towards left and select fill series, it will decrease the series. I hope you all are clear with autofill option using fill handle. Next, autofill using fill option. Fill option is present on the home tab in the editing group. By using this option also, we can create a series. For that, we need to specify the initial value first, and then we need to select the range of cells. How many cells we are going to fill it. That much of cells we need to select, and then click on the fill option in the editing group on the home tab. It will show drop down menu. So you need to select series option here, and then it will open the series dialog box. In that dialog box, you need to give the step value. Step value means how many number you are going to add to the initial value, and until which number your series will be end. That is stop value. Give the step value and stop value. After that, click on OK button. The series will be created. Come on, let's see how to create a series by using fill option. Now I am going to give the initial value 1 and press enter key, and then select the cells until 5. This is fill option in the editing group on the home tab. I am going to click on the fill option. It will show drop down menu. I'm going to select series. It will show series dialog box. Here I selected a column towards down, so here the columns option is selected. Now I am going to give the step value 4 and stop value 20 and I am going to click on OK. Now I have selected 5 cells. By using the step value, it creates a series until the selected cells 1, 5, 9, 13 and 17. Next, closing a workbook in Excel. To close a workbook, we need to click on the File tab and then select the Close option. When you select the Close option, if your file is saved already, your workbook will be closed. If your file is not been saved, it will ask for Save Your File. So if you want to save your file, click on Save. If you don't want to save your file, you can click on the Don't Save button. Your workbook will be closed, but the Excel window does not close. It will remain open. To close a workbook, there is a shortcut key, that is Ctrl+W. Next, opening an existing workbook. To open an existing workbook, you need to click on the File tab, then select Open option. It will show the Open dialog box. You need to select the file that you want to open and then click on the Open button. Your workbook will be open. The shortcut key to open an existing workbook is Ctrl+O. Next, exiting from MS Excel. To exit from MS Excel, we need to click on the File tab and then select Exit option. It will close the MS Excel window. The shortcut key to exit from MS Excel is Alt+F4. Now today's class has been completed. I hope you all are clear with these topics. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Next, today's homework. First question, what is the use of the autofill feature? Second question, write the shortcut keys to open and close the workbook. Do your homework properly. Don't forget to get a sign from your parents in the planner. Next, an open question to answer in the comment section. The question is, what are the 2 ways to generate series? I repeat the question. What are the 2 ways to generate series? Answer this question in the comment section. Next, question of the day. Today's question is, which key combination helps you to exit from MS Excel? I repeat the question. Which key combination helps you to exit from MS Excel? Answer this question in the online exam section of your school app. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. God bless you.